In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ensure your DaVinci Resolve software is up to date by checking for updates. Keeping your software up to date is crucial as it ensures you're benefiting from all the latest features, bug fixes, and security improvements that the developers have to offer. Plus, it often helps deliver a smoother editing experience, which is exactly what you want, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional. Now let's dive in. First, you'll need to open DaVinci Resolve on your computer. If you've created a desktop shortcut during installation, you can simply double-click that to open it. Alternatively, you may need to navigate through your program files if the shortcut isn't available. Once DaVinci Resolve is launched, you should see the main interface right in front of you, the place where all the magic happens in video editing. Next, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen where you'll find the DaVinci Resolve menu. Click on this, and a drop-down menu will appear. The option we're interested in here is the one labeled Check for Updates. By selecting this, you're instructing the software to see if there are any recent versions available that you have not yet installed. Simply clicking on Check for Updates will prompt the software to connect to the internet and verify whether there are any updates that need downloading. If your software is up to date, you'll receive a notification that everything is current and you don't need to do anything further. However, if there is a newer version available, you'll be notified, and from there, DaVinci Resolve will guide you through the process of downloading and installing the newest version. It's as simple as that. Regularly checking for updates is a good habit to establish. It not only ensures you have access to the latest tools and improvements in the application, but can also solve potential issues you might run into with outdated versions. This can be anything from compatibility issues with new types of media files to enhanced performance improvements that streamline your editing process. Remember, the entire updating process is pretty straightforward and doesn't take much time, but the benefits can be significant. It's always a good idea to perform this check when you first boot up DaVinci Resolve for the day or before starting a big project, just to make sure you're working with the most efficient and effective tools at your disposal. That wraps it up. By performing this simple check regularly, you ensure that your DaVinci Resolve software remains at its peak performance level, letting you focus on the creative side of video editing rather than on technical hiccups. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!